Your knowledge is the most important value for your future. Welcome to the new eLearning Evolution Academy. It is the only course that teaches you how to design an online academy from A to Z. A complete training of methodologies, strategies, processes and tools for creation, development and launch of online academy. We will talk about what e-learning really is, the functions that a platform should have in order to be efficient, and how to plan and organize training, knowledge, teachers and students. Find out more about the appointments from April to July 2023, completely online. If you need more information, just write us to info@ocgroup.eu. Your knowledge is the most important value for your future. Organize it, spread it, make your reality and your team grow. Evolution eLearning Academy.